So I filmed this last night, but you couldn't really see much. As you can see, it's still kind of a raging river, but all this rose up when we looked last night. We've never seen something like this, not in our area before. Everyone's kind of clearing off the roads. As you can see, our town has never seen something like this. I know like a lot of people who live around rivers probably seen it many times before, but so we're just gonna go down to where the big river is and just see what it looks like there. Wow, and you can still see the river.
Wow.
Wow. Oh! I need to get out. Stuff's slicky. Wow. It's like a tornado ripped through here. Look at this. It's like a tornado. Of course, tornadoes can't touch where we're at, but it does look like a freaking dadgum tornado. Here's someone shovel it in a bucket. And it went all the way up. So we're not going to go through here. It's too slick. It grabs your shoes like quicksand. Quick mud? That's what we can call this, the quick mud. So we're going to go the other way around. Oh, wow. There's crap all through there. Holy crap. Wow, look at that, y'all. Holy crap. Yeah, they've got the road blocked off. It flooded this area, totally. And look at this. It's never been like this before, y'all. I've never seen that. I've lived here for 12 years, and it's never done this before. Yeah, look at that. It's torn out in the sidewalk.
Yeah, they've got the red.
Look at the Dadgum Bridge.
Yeah, they said that.
And this was all the way up to here, y'all. It was up to the bridge. Like freaking, you were about to drown. It was bad.
I thought, wow. Yeah, they've stuff got destroyed.
Yeah, last night when we had a few rescue squads come here in tow trucks.
So it's probably safe then. You can hear they're running. The last time, all it did was last. They shut it down. It's going all right. But those were just trailers over there. See, it didn't hurt the trailers. They floated around and just sank back. It ain't gonna hurt a trailer.
Look at this. Wow, the smell smells like bamboo.
Yeah, the smell is unbelievable.
Woo!
Farms up the river.
Holy crap!
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, people lost all their crops.
Wow, these are all
Sad.
yeah. This is the worst I've ever seen it. I've never seen this in the 12 years I've been here.
Sad. You feel it blurry over there?
Wow. Everyone wants to assess the damage, so we're just running around. And I'm like, the water's still pretty high, but it isn't as bad as it was. As you see, I don't know if you can tell, I can't see, there's a bad glare, but if you can imagine what it was yesterday, I mean, it's low, it would have been all the way up to at least this right here.
No, it went over the bridge yesterday.
So yeah,
The water went actually over this.
so if we were here
That's why
yesterday,
You keep standing underwater. Yesterday.
wow,
That's how high it was.
it's come down a lot, but
There's a set of wheels over there off a GMC truck. Somebody's truck was in the water, broke the wheels off.
whoa.
I hope they got out of it.
There's the
Everyone's filming the damage. But look over there. Wow. I mean, it's sad to see my hometown become this way. I mean, like, look at all these crops. I mean,
Is Jack okay? Is he breathing okay and all that?
yeah, he ain't panting now. There's someone's water dish. Trees.
There's their
Look at the boat rentals. Canoes, kayaks. Pigeon River Outfitters, tubing rentals. I mean, like, look at this. Oh, that's a gate.
I
Hey.
bet that goes over there.
Oh, wow.
Feed and seed.
Fantasy's just trash right now. I see they got cones up. Only you're allowed to walk on foot.
How's Jack doing? Is he
So we're gonna walk to the post office. It's really bad. And by what everyone's saying, I thought it was a lot worse. I mean, it's worse either way, but there's that mud. I mean, so much is so
looks like the
freaking.
American Cleaner got
Yeah, people are
the
trying.
car shop got it. Dang.
Oh, there's a nice car in there. An old car. Can you see that? I can't tell. Wow. I hope it didn't ruin the nice cars. The Canton Moose Lodge kind of got demolished. It's kind of on its side. That's got ripped out of the ground. And this is still kind of flooded. Everyone's trying to clear their walkway. There's some more dirt around here.
Try to stay out of the water as much as possible, Wiener.
Wow, someone's deck. Canton Fire Department. Oh. What's going on there?
I could put that in.
I can't tell if it's still underwater or not. I think it is. I can't tell. People's sewage is definitely there, but
Yeah, look how deep it is